submitted.
Yes, I have seen that. But I have not got the homework from all the students. Very few students have sent me the homework. I told you. Nationalities and language, right? This one.
Morning, ma'am. I'm
Ma'am, I
not
have sent
mentioned on
homework.
I'm nationalities and language.
Ma'am, I have submitted my
Okay,
homework.
before doing this page, as not all
Good
the
afternoon,
students have
ma'am.
sent me the good afternoon. Not everyone has sent me the homework, so we will do that one also. But before that, let's see this
Ma'am,
part.
I have sent you 3 chapters.
So this part, just look at this part. This poem, and through the drifts, the snowy cliffs, did send a dismal sheen. This poem, right?
Yes.
I told you yesterday that the name I will check again and I will tell you. So write that name. Yes, it will be changed. And the name is, yes, that one. The Rime of the Ancient Mariner. The Rime of the Ancient Mariner by Samuel Taylor Coleridge. Okay, I'm writing it. The name of the poem you write. The Rime of the
Ancient Mariner.
Ancient Mariner.
Ancient Mariner.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the name of the poem. Okay.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
it's written by Samuel Taylor Coleridge. The name of the poet is Samuel
Taylor Coleridge.
Taylor Coleridge. Coleridge. Ridge. Okay. So the Rime of the Ancient Mariner, Samuel Taylor Coleridge. What is the meaning of rhyme? R-I-M-E? We all know R-H-Y-M-E rhyme, right? This is a rhyming poem, but
Yes,
what does this rhyme means? Anything that is frozen, right? Any object that is frozen due to cold. Okay, so that means rhyme. Okay, so now let's go back to the chapter, what we were doing.
Ma'am, I have sent you already chapter 31, 32 and 33. Have you checked?
Yes, I have checked it and I have approved it also, but not all the students, even this chapter, I have given you only this chapter. Even this chapter is not sent by everyone. I have got only 7 papers. So this is why we will do this again, and everyone present in this class should write it. Everyone turn on the video. All the students present here, turn on the video. Okay, let's see. Okay, first of all, let's see what is this chapter about. It's about nationalities and languages, right? People from Canada are called?
Canadians.
Canadians. Okay, let's see. That is correct answer. So the students who are still writing the answers, you can write it now. People from India are called?
Indian.
Very good. That is also right. Next. People from Israel speak?
Israeli.
Hebrew.
What will be the answer?
Hebrew.
Okay, let's see.
What is the answer of question number 1?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, that is the correct answer. So people from Israel, they speak
What is the
Hebrew.
answer of question number 1?
Now next, people in Hong Kong speak English and
Cantonese.
Cantonese. Okay, let's see. That is correct answer. Okay. Everyone should write these answers. She lives in Argentina. So
Spanish.
she speaks
Spanish.
Spanish. Okay, let's see. Yes, that is the correct answer. So if anyone lives in Argentina, the local language that people speak, that is Spanish. People in Macau speak
Portuguese.
Cantonese and Portuguese. Okay, let's see. That is correct answer. So write Portuguese for the 6th question. Now people from Ireland are
Irish.
Yes, the answer is Irish. Now next, he's from Germany. He is
German.
German. Okay. Yes, that is the correct answer. Now next, Gloria is from
Puerto Rican.
yes, Puerto Rico. She is
Puerto Rican.
this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's see. Yes, that is the correct answer. And the last one, Martha is from United States. She is an American. Yes, that is also correct answer. I am quickly showing you all the answers one after another from the very first. If anyone wants to write, you can write it. So people from Canada are called Canadians. People from India are called Indians. People from Israel speak Hebrew. People in Hong Kong speak English and Cantonese. She lives in Argentina. She speaks Spanish. People in Macau speak Cantonese and Portuguese. People from Ireland are Irish. He is from Germany. He is German. Gloria is from Puerto Rico. She is Puerto Rican. Martha is from United States. She is an American. Okay, have you all written the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's go to the next chapter, chapter number 33. It's about sentence correction. So what you will have to do, replace the underlined portion with the correct words and rewrite the following sentences. So few sentences are there. You can see one part or some parts of the sentences are underlined. You will have to make corrections there. Yes, you will have to correct it. See the first one. You should avoid to make such stupid mistakes.
You should avoid making such stupid mistakes.
Very good. So you should avoid making such stupid mistakes. So you will write, you should avoid making such stupid mistakes. Next, leader said that he is committed to give a job to all the unemployed.
Leader said
To each of one
to give a job to all
42.
to each of the unemployment.
To each of the unemployed, right? Arshad, you have just started writing. Arshad, you have just started writing. See, now where is he? I can see only the ceiling. Okay, that is correct answer. Now question number 3. He was asking my opinion for the film.
Opinion about.
He was asking my opinion about the film.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that is correct answer. Next, I shall not go until I am invited.
Unless I
I
am.
shall not go unless I am invited.
Unless I am invited. Yes. So we use until when we are talking about the time, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. that will be the correct answer. Okay, it's showing here incorrect.
Yes, ma'am, it is showing wrong. I have also done it. But
Yes, this one, it will be unless I am invited. Okay, this one will be, though it's showing here incorrect.
There is one option where you can get all the answers.
Yes, yes. So as this is the digital version of the book, some something wrong may be written here. Though it's showing here incorrect, but you write this one. This one is the correct answer. Okay.
Yes.
Next, when it was morning,
Put
they
apart.
decided to put an in.
Put apart.
Put up
Up
at
at
Apart.
Put up at
and
and
in.
in. That is the correct answer. Now tell me, what is the meaning of I double N in? That means any resting place, right? If you are traveling long, then in the midway,
Yes,
if
ma'am.
there is any resting place, that is called in. I double N in. It is enough fatal to an animal as to a human being.
As fatal. As
It is
fatal.
as
As
fatal
to an animal
as to a human being.
as a human being. Yes. Fatal means what?
fat.
Yes.
I'm fat, being fat.
No. Fatal means they can even die. Very bad. Fatal means they can even die due to this. This is that much dangerous that they can even die due to this. Okay. There is nothing very miserable than the unemployment. More miserable or
More miserable.
More miserable.
More.
there is nothing more miserable than the unemployment. So we have seen the application of than here, and with more we use than, right?
Yes.
So to the next of miserable, you can see the application of than. The word than is present there, so it will be more miserable. Now he is working in the company.
He has
since
been working.
2000.
He has been working in the company since.
Has been working in the company.
So this is from your tense. If you are writing since, for, these words, and we are talking about a long-term time, that is, then we use has been working. Yes. So has been work, we will never write. After BEEN, been, the main verb, when we write the main verb, we always add ing with the main verb. This is the rule of writing this one. After BEEN, been, we always add ing with the. She is not only pretty, but very charming. But
also
very
charming. She is not only pretty, but also very charming. Yes. So we write them together, not only, but also. You already know all these things.
Charming means?
That means very jolly, very bright. She can, she is not very shy. Okay. Charming means she is not very shy.
Okay.
The winter has set up and the days are getting colder.
Set in.
The winter has set in.
13.
And the days are
Set
in.
Okay, let's see. So the correct answer is winter has set in and the days are getting colder. So that means winter has came and now the days are getting colder day by day. Okay.
Yes.
So I'm again showing you all the answers quickly from the very first question number 1. So the first one will be, you should avoid making such stupid mistakes. Next answer will be, leader said that he is committed to give a job to each of the unemployed. Number 3, he was asking my opinion about the film. Number 4, it will be unless I am. Okay, though it's showing here incorrect, but it will be, I shall not go unless I am invited. When it was morning, they decided to put up at an inn. It is as fatal to an animal as to a human being. There is nothing more miserable than the unemployment. Number 8, he has been working in the company since 2000. Number 9, she is not only pretty but also very charming. The winter has set in and the days are getting colder. Okay? All of you have written the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so after this, this is the model test paper. So this one is the last chapter from this unit. Chapter number 34. Let's see what is this chapter about. This chapter is about the tongue twisters. Magic words. Following are some confusing paragraphs. Read and try to speak the following sentences quickly and fastly. So what type of questions can come from this chapter? Simply fill in the blanks. Okay? Fill in the blanks may come from these chapters because these are some famous tongue twisters. You will have to memorize them, and fill in the blanks only can come from this chapter. Now you will have to read these tongue twisters very fast. Okay? Who wants to read? Just raise your hand. Who wants to read? Raise your hand. Only Akhil wants to read? No one else? Okay, Akhil, Suhana,
Ma'am, I will
Shreya.
read.
Shaunik. Okay, so for first, Shaunik, you read.
Ma'am, first
Keep
one.
for the first one, keep your hands raised, okay, students, so that I can see. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
I am
Shaunik, the
telling.
first one. A twister of
A
twists.
twister of twist, one twisted a twist, a twisted that we twisted was a three twisted twist. In a twisting a twist, one twist should untwist the twisted, the untwisted twist would untwist the twist. A twister of twists once twisted a twist. A twist that we twisted was a three twisted twist. If in a twisting a twist, one twist should untwist. The untwist twist would untwist the twist.
Okay, very good. Only 2 times you have stopped, or else you have you have read it very nicely and very fast also. Let's see how Sania Khatun. Sania read. Sania, you unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this one
Yes.
only.
Silly Sally.
Silly Sally swiftly shopped 7 silly sleep. The 7 silly sleep, silly Sally should. Silly Sally south. This sleep should not sleep in a sack. Sheep should sleep in a shade.
In a shade. Okay. Sheep should sleep in a shade. Very good.
I can
Now,
tell all.
Mumtahina
I have
Khatun.
read all.
Mumtahina Khatun.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mumtahina, you read this one. There was a fisherman named Fisher.
There was a fisherman named who fished some fish in a fissure till a fish with a grain pulled the fisherman in. Now they are fishing a fissure for fisher.
Very good, very good. Now, Akhil, you read this one. A skunk sat on a stump.
A skunk sat on a stump. The stump thought the skunk stunk. The skunk thought the stump skunk. The what skunk? The skunk got the stump.
In the last line, you stop once, or else it's okay. It's very good. Okay. And Atif Aslam, you want to read the next one? No, I don't think so. Anyone else who wants to read? See, 2 paragraphs or 2 tongue twisters are only left.
I will read.
Let's see. No. Who has already read it, they will not read. Sania Khatun and Suhana Parveen. Suhana, you have read one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sania?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
Okay, Sania, Suhana, Akhil, Shaunik. So Shreya. Shreya, you unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Shreya? Yes, you read this one. Dennis sees fleas. Dennis sees the fleas.
Dennis sees the fleas. Dennis sees the fleas. At least Dennis could sneeze and feed and freeze the fleas.
Okay. And the last one, who will read? The last one. Mona Lisa Panja. Mona Lisa, you unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'm not a pheasant plucker. This
I am
one.
not a fish and plucker. I am fish and plucker's son, and I am only plucking fish ants till the fish and plucker comes.
Okay, very good. So this is how the tongue twisters are. Generally what you will have to do, you will have to read very fast. And these are actually the games that people used to play. And from this chapter, nothing else will come, only the some fill in the blanks may come. So for that, you should read this chapter, okay? Okay, so
ma'am.
that's